So hi, hello everyone. So today we are going to be learn something how to be cut like disconnect layer. And this haircut is something it is going to be disconnecting with the crown portions from the overall the nape area and bottom layers. And sectioning also is a little bit of difference. You can just see subsection in the top portions. So that is the concept of the haircut, which is going to be carry forward something. It will be different. It will be disconnecting to the layer bases and all. So you can just see the sound center profile. We just take separate and just with creating with small fringes from the crown portion separated. And just we're taking with a center profile with again with a side like a horseshoe section. We just side by side we're just taking it up. You can just see that completely. So another side we just be taking with a horseshoe section again. So this haircut is something bit advanced to compare to the previous layers, and it's something it will going to be showing different part in the haircuts. So ensure I'm always upcoming something like different haircuts. I'm just showing presenting you in the something like a creative parts and all. The layers which you can just be fundamentally, if you can strong, you can just create anything on the top of the creative layers at all. The side ear section we just taking and separating with again, and another side also we can just follow the same technique. You can just see the sections completely, subsections how we took, and all the sides you can just very clearly can just see me. The back portion was completely clean and neat. I'll just we take with one length haircut in the bottom before cut the layers. So we're just taking with a vertical sections, side bases we're standing, and exactly we just picked up with the towards opposite direction, just 120 degree we lifting and rest of the haircut. So ultimately the bulky hair we just taking out of it and rest of the haircut. So one more section we just picked and just cutting to the same hair. In this haircut is simple to understand the advance and any disconnect layers. If you insisted with something like previous haircuts where you can just create on your thoughts, and this disconnect layers, it will be something like a play game. It's kind of game changer haircut, you can just say. So in this haircut you can just see completely to the every back portions were lifting to the 120 degree and just adding to the layers and this concept, which is can save the length as well. So we are not going to be reduce the length anymore. Top of that, we adding the layers. You can just see that rest of the hair chop. So that's simple, the haircut. You can just create any disconnect layers or basic layers and all, if you can just think. So back portion is almost done, and just we cross checking overall, so both the sides. It's completely even. And the side section we just take and just over directing with the layers, we just take back with the back portion. So another section we just pick rest of the hair. And another side also we can just came and just we following the same technique. Small section we picked and just rest of the hair cut. Again one more section. Now we come to the crown portion and just pick with a small guideline from the sides. And just taking to the forward and just cutting it. Whatever is rest of the hair come, it will be cut. And just we are not elevating in this part in the crown portions and giving to any of layering technique. Instead we just forwarding to those layers in the front part. And another side also we just same pick guidelines, and the same trick we follow in the another side as well. You can just see, and one more section we just pick like same, and rest of the hair cut. So almost cut was done, and the crown fringes we just releasing the center fringe and just giving to the front fringes something nose level cut in as a guideline we just take, and rest of the hair cut. And taking as a guideline and just cutting rest of the hair. The haircut is going to be finished. Hope you guys all are understand this video. I think so it will be very interesting in this video, and layers and techniques and all. And the previous year saw something different, and this video also something different. My cut is almost going to be finished, and we just release all the clips and we shaking up to the layers. You can just see overall the layers, the front faces and side bases as well. From the back you can just see very good shape and nice slicings. Disconnection layers you can just see completely. Now we're just blowing up completely to the root shift hair, which is can volumetrically it will be come out. And another side we just going up to the same trick and techniques. Hope you all are understand this video. I think so you guys all understand complete the video. The video, please hit the like button and do share with your friends, and just comments below for anything if you want to be changed and you want to see something like different haircuts in that. And if you get any doubts, please comments below. I'll clarify you doubts. So overall the cut finished, and just we're shaking up to the dry layers. You can just see completely the layers messy. Hope you guys all are enjoyed in this video. We'll see you soon for the next video. Until, take care, be safe.